Hey guys, it's Felicia. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are doing Twice's new song, More and More. This is the explanation part of this tutorial. If you want the music section, go ahead and click up there, but the explanation part I'll teach you step by step. I'm really excited to teach you the chorus because this is a pretty fun choreography. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like button. It really does help me a lot, and subscribe if you guys haven't already, because this is the start of June. We have a lot of comebacks coming up, so I will do my best to try and film tutorials over those as well. As per usual, don't forget this video is mirrored, and let's get started. Just a quick note, I saw this on my last video when I was doing a tutorial for Lisa's dance, Mushroom Chocolate, her cover. Someone mentioned that my watch is on my right hand. So if you guys ever get confused, just remember the watch is on the right. Alrighty, so let's begin. What we're gonna do is have two hands in a fist and go in a circle, okay? In to out, twice. We come 1, 2. Now with our legs, we're just gonna tap and tap, okay? Notice how I am on the balls of my foot, and I'm gonna lean to the left first and lean to the right, okay? So all together, come 1, 2. Okay, cool. The next movement, we're gonna go 1, 2 with our arms. So again, still in a fist, but this time you're gonna basically move your body in a counterclockwise direction. Not like huge, okay? But it's just like a 1, 2. It's a light, it's not a spin, okay? But it's like a light movement in a counterclockwise direction. Just use your chest and puff out, okay? So use your arms to help guide you, and you're gonna do this twice. And with our legs, we're mostly planting it on our left leg, and this will be extended, okay? So come 1, 2. All together, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now the next part is kind of fun with the arms. We are going to come left and right. So you come left out, palms facing forward, left, 1, and you're in the middle and you're shifting right, left, right. Okay, so left, right, left, right. You're going to lean to the right first with your weight on your right leg. So you come 1 and 2 and 3. So again, once you've done this hand, you're going to rotate your arms in a counterclockwise direction, and you're going to bring it out. It's sort of like ta-la, okay? But have your arms here, right extended, left across the chest. So all together, left and right and hit. Cool. Now, once you have got that done, we're going to bring our hands, it's sort of like you're coming across, like you're do another counterclockwise, left on top, right on bottom, okay? That's really, really important. Now, once you've come across, you're gonna go more, the twice says more and more. You're going to, let's start focus on the arms. You're going to extend your left arm out, okay? This one open. Next, bring it back in, okay? So see this change? I'm going to bring it back in, have the punch, my fist, right fist out, and then I am going to drop it and come, and as if taking your right arm and push off the shoulder, just shrug it off and stand, like brush it off. That's what I meant to say. Brush, okay? So let's come back from here, okay? So we come left and right and to the right. Now you're gonna come counter more and more, okay? You see this movement? I was starting with my left, then to the right, then I come even further to the right by pushing it off. Cool. Starting from the top, let's rehash the moves before we keep going, okay? So starting with this, come 1, 2, 3, and 4, and now go left and to right. Now counterclockwise. Now bring it now more and more. Cool. Let's move on. Okay, so after you go more and more, we are going to take our hands to our waist, thumbs in the front, and the fingers in the back, and we're gonna go 1, 2. Okay, so you're just gonna take your legs and go in, out, in, out. Okay, so 1, 2. Now the next movement, left hand's in a fist, right hand is like the ticker movement. Imagine you're a metronome. So point your finger and you're gonna just kind of skip to your next position. Okay, you can just easily skip in place because we don't have, unfortunately, 8 other members with us. But you're just gonna go skip and skip, but you're gonna, so this one is the one that's moving. Okay, so you're gonna go on the beat like so. Let me show you in faster motions so it makes sense. So you're gonna lift up your left leg first and kind of looks like 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, so notice how I was on the 1 and 2 and. So it's by the 8th notes. You just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, again, let me show you again. Come 1 and 2 and 3 and. Now, the last beat, the 4, you're gonna just bring your legs parallel, facing towards the audience, and then you're going to do 1, 2. Really quick, hands open, palms facing you, come 1, 2, okay, across your face. So let's start from the more and more. We come 1, 2, 3, okay, and then we come open, open, and then we come 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're going to hit across our body. Have your cheerleader Y here, and we're going to go right, left, right. But you're going to be more wavy with this. So we're going to come hit, 2, 3. Got it? So when one hits, the other arm comes up. So right arm first, come 1, 2, 3. Okay, so once we've done right, left, right, here we're going to kind of kick up our right leg and drop our left and lift up our right, okay? So when you have dropped your arm, okay, and then you kick up your right leg and you're on your left, hands up, what we're going to do is have our right leg in front, helps us to rotate a little bit, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're going to caress our butt, okay? When you caress your butt, okay, the first we're gonna go 1, 2. It's like a no, we're washing it, okay? So come here, dot, dot, and then we're gonna do it one more time, okay? Caress your butt, and we're gonna push out, in, head down, chin down. So what we're doing, again, we come up, ready? 1, 2, and 1, push. Alrighty, let's start from the more and more, and then I will go through all the steps. That's all, we're almost at the end. Okay, so again, more and more, come more and more. Now, open, open. Now, dot, dot, 2 and 3 and face thing. Okay, come right, left, right, and up. Now, rest, dot, dot, caress, push. Alrighty, we're almost done. So after you push out, what you're going to do is gonna come, bring your fist up to your chest, and it goes more and more. So we're gonna go more and more. Okay, I'm just gonna drop. So 1, up. I'm doing Momo's part just for people who know she's the center in this section. So we're gonna come up, look up, now come drop, and what we're gonna do is just kind of shake a little bit. You know when you're at the club, like shaking a little bit? That's what we're going to do, okay? So we're gonna go 1 and a 2. Okay, cool. So let's bring it from the Y, okay? Start from the Y, come right, left, right, and up. Now, press, here and press, push. Now come more, up, shake. After you do your club shake for 2 beats, come 1 and the 2, we're going to bring our hands like so, okay, up by next to our face, palms to us, come roll, and then you're gonna go do that finger to thumb thing, okay? So bring it in into a fist, and then we're gonna go roll it downwards, okay? And so once you've rolled it in, and you're going to bring your fist, you're gonna go outwards. You're gonna roll outwards. So see how I'm going inward to out? Roll it outwards, but down also. So again, we just did our shake, and we're coming here, roll in, roll, fist roll down, and then we're gonna go 1. Okay, as if there's 1 more. Okay, so let's review that very last part, and then we'll do a full review. Okay, so let's start from here, the ticker. Okay, so we start left and right and left and double and come right, left, right and up. Now, butt caress, 1, 2, come and push. Now come up, go all, look up, and 1, 2, shake. And remember here, roll in, come outwards, and 1. Awesome! Good job, guys! Okay, so this will be the final review where I just go through the entire dance, but if you need more time just on the little details, please go back to the video and take your time. And then, once you're ready, let's come back to here and we'll do the final review. But if you're ready, let's go ahead and go into it. Alrighty, so you know, let's start with our open arms, left leg. Weight on the left leg, okay? So we come 1, 2, and 3, 4. Come left and right. Now counterclockwise here. Now come counter more and shoulder and come open, open. Now your ticker and right and left and double and right, left, right. Come up. Now butt. 1, 2, butt, push and up, look up and club, shake, come here and roll down. 1. Good job, guys. Thank you so much for learning this with me. I hope you guys enjoyed learning this. Before we head over to the music section, don't forget all my social media sites are in the description box below. And if you cover this, please tag me at felicia.covers so I can watch it. Alrighty, that is it for this video. I'll see y'all in the music section.